Here's the middle of the play session. We'll see what they want to do. Oh, now Nella's hiding. I can't tell if she's afraid or not. I guess not. She's going after me. She's awful high, Nella. Go under your seat. Let's see who stands off. Who wants to go back at it? I bet Nella comes flying out here shortly. Oh. Nico's gonna lay down. She's had enough. You done too, little Nella? You done? Okay, Nico's done. Bye now.